Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert watermark in Microsoft Word document. So click on watermark and select any style like this style. So we have now this watermark. You can change watermark text. So click on custom watermark and here the option text. So change. You can change language also. You can change font and size and color. Then click on apply. Click on OK. That's it. So this is the method, guys. You can insert watermark in your Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.